Time for a quick exercise. So the goal here is to calculate the average price of phones for each manufacturer. So in other words, we should group by all the different manufacturers and then find the average price of phone for each one. So if we think about that just by itself, I'm just going to give you a little hint here. We might end up with something like select AVG price, and we might want to rename that column to something like as AVG underscore price from phones, and then we would group by the manufacturer. And as usual, double check your spelling on manufacturer. So if we run that just by itself, so I'm going to click on check solution, that will give us the incorrect answer, but it will help us understand the kind of data that we would get back. So we would get back a single column, and inside of it would be a couple of different values. So once you get to that point, you then want to try to find the maximum value within this column. So to do so, you might take this initial query right here and put it into the subquery of a from clause. And that would allow you to then do a further query or a select on this column. So go ahead and give it a shot, and we'll take a look at a solution in just a moment.